In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple calendar in Canva. We'll walk through a clear, beginner-friendly process so you can build a clean monthly calendar you can print or share digitally. First, open your browser and go to canva.com. Log into your account so you can save your work as you go. From your home dashboard, click Create a Design. In the search bar that appears, type Calendar. You'll see a range of ready-made calendar templates. Choose a simple layout to keep everything easy to read and quick to edit. Minimal designs work best for monthly planning. Click the calendar template you like, and it will open on your canvas. You now have a solid foundation, which saves time on layout and spacing. Next, edit the month title. Click on the month text at the top, then type the name of the month you want, such as January, February, or March. Keep the font clear and sized large enough to be the main header, and choose a color that stands out but still matches your style. Now update the days of the week. Click the weekday labels and change them to Sun, Mon, Tui, Wed, Thu, Free, and Sat. A monthly calendar uses a 7-column grid, one for each weekday, so confirm your template follows that structure. Add the dates next. Click inside each calendar box and type the numbers 1 through 31. Place each number in the top corner of its box. Top right is a common choice, so you have space below to write reminders or events. If the month has fewer than 31 days, stop at the correct date and leave the remaining boxes blank. As you number, check that each date falls under the correct weekday for that specific month. Customize the design to make it yours. Adjust colors to match your brand or theme, and pick fonts that are clean and consistent. You can add small icons for birthdays, appointments, or deadlines. If you want a more visual look, open the Elements panel to drop in photos, shapes, or subtle graphics. Keep contrast high so dates and text stay easy to read, and leave enough white space to avoid clutter. When your first month looks good, duplicate the page to create the rest of the year, then change the month title and dates on each copy. Finally, download your calendar. Choose a file type that fits your use, PDF for printing or PNG, JPG for sharing online. Save it to your device, and you're done. Enjoy your simple, polished calendar made in Canva.